Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons. I hope you check them out. They're on my website, christopherhartbooks.com. And today I'd like to show you how to draw a retro character, a retro kid. I'm getting a lot of requests for this. Let's start off with a silly look, and we're just going to sketch loosely right now until we get it where we want. He's going to be facing this way, center line, eye line, back of the head. And it's sort of like a light bulb, the structure to this one. Here's the ear, upturned nose. We'll just make it a little more upturned like this. A little smile on this side. Doesn't continue, just starts over on this side. And all is a simple but darkened eyelid. One. That's a kind of retro look, a minimal look. And we'll put a part in here and build the hair out this way and bring it forward. And now we're going to bring this in like that. Build in that chin. And how about if we use the marker at this point so we can see what it's going to finally look like. We did all the roughs. Let's clean it up a little bit, okay? Here we go. Also, because retro usually has very thick lines, which you can do on pencil or whatever other tool you use. And another one here, nice and thickly here, very thick outline. Thicker outside than on the inside. Curve this back, this flat back of the head into the neck. The ear will stick out, most improbably that way. It's flat like all retro, but it also has some flowing curves, like the one I'm working on right now. Flowing in and out, in and out. So don't let someone tell you it's just, oh, this is just flat graphic shapes. It is not. Of course it has them, but there's a lot of flowing stuff in this style. Let me just add a little color to the hair, just for fun. I hope this is fast motion, because it takes a while. And there you go, your retro cartoon kid. I hope you enjoyed it. New videos every Monday. Please join me and subscribe. Bye-bye.